floppy thing there. Let's go get some, there. The things that I do for, oh, that's not in the middle. Oh well. Okay, so next is footwear. And we're gonna go get some potatoes, folks. What the hell's this doing down there? You can always throw that in here. Alright. Welcome back to another edition of Sheepy Hollow. Today is a beautiful day, and it is the 5th or 6th of October, and it's been freaking amazing out. My wife's she's gone for now. She's gone to get the, okay, let's get this out first. She's gone to get the Jeep touched up with the paint. So let's get this out of here first. Oh, man. Alright, the same old. Let's get some gas in here. We got about 1/8 of a tank, whatever that is. Flip that way. Oh yeah. Well, first things first, let's get rid of those bags before we go get some more tomatoes. More potatoes. Alright. Let's just hope. The garage has never looked as pretty as this. Ever. Alright. Okay. Man, that's full. Okay. So here's the story on that poor old deer that's getting eaten up down there. The son traveling home the other night, deer jumped out of the ditch and hit him in the front, on the driver's side there, front driver's side. Smashed up his Toyota Tacoma, I think that's what it's called, of which I went out, I taped it up. We took the, we took the, we picked the carcass up off the side of the road, because what happens is the coyotes get on it, and then the next thing you know, somebody's driving by and hits one of them, and, you know, just disaster. So anyway, he drug it down, and then he disappeared, and he come back and told me it's down at the end of the road down on the property there. So I thought, well, geez, what a good idea. Well, let's go and put the freaking camera up down there and see if we can get something. Well, that very day, didn't take long for the ravens to find it, then the turkey buzzard, and then the next day, the eagles found it. So I don't know how many eagles we have in New Brunswick. I doubt very many, but let's just say we're feeding them too now. There we go. Freaking gas, man, I'm telling you. We're being robbed. And this COVID doesn't help the situation much at all, does it? So, there we go. This is some of the winter supply here. And I'm going to have to get in here to get the rototiller out because I have given it some thought to rototill up that potato patch and put the rest of that we got a half a dozen bags left, and you'll see how much is left spaces wise. We don't want to blow this off, you guys. Let's just go get the potatoes started. And we can chit-chat with ya. Where's my gloves? Uh-oh. Well, we got no gloves. So what we're gonna do, watch this, John. Brilliant. We're going to start at this end. That way I can pull all the dirt to the left, because this is the lawn to the right. So let's leave that right here. This side. Try not to knock the darn thing over right away. And these are the potatoes that we'll be giving to all our friends and stuff like that. This is the last year of the Pontiac potatoes. Get some of these out of the way. And these buggers grow good. Look at that. Oops. There we go. Okay. I like these potatoes too, but some don't like them. Alright. There goes my side already. These grow nice potatoes here. In the Stone Ridge. Well, this is not Stone Ridge. This is Dorn Ridge. And there is quite a bit of stone here. Oh. Wow. It's going to take me for freaking ever to get out of here. And wing. Okay. Get on this side here. And the problem with the red ones, they're really hard to see mixed in this dark dirt. Look at them all. And one thing I know for sure is, where these guys come from? We have, let's get rid of that. There. More potatoes in this row probably than the other two rows combined. These red ones grow good. But I say, look, hardly started, and I still got to go through here. Oh, there's another one. But to be honest with you, these are good potatoes. I bet you they'd make good fries. There we are. I need a school bus load of kids to come in here and pick rocks for me. Right. And what is neat too is these stems are still all green, where the other ones had died right off quite a while ago. Yeah, that's a healthy potato. I think that's what I had for lunch yesterday. There we go. And these guys, none of these got healed up very good compared to what they usually do. And the whole idea this year was to just put 3 rows in so that I could do the hilling good. But it got so wet, I couldn't hill them after the initial hilling. So what I was thinking of doing, if I run the rototiller down through here in the fall, I can get to define the sides. I might even be able to hill the darn thing before planting in the spring. Alright, well, let's get going here. Let's get some of this done. You can see how it sticks right on there. here's an original seed. This is soft, I would think. No. Look at it, freaking, it's all chewed right up. I don't want that to grow no more. Red. So, I'll be glad when this potato season's over this year. Then I can go back into the woods and start doing that. That's what I wanted to be doing, actually. So my wife says to me last night, I always love it when people have suggestions. She says, you know, her mother told her, that's my mother-in-law, I need to dry my potatoes before I put them away. I says, oh yeah? Is that right? Yeah, she says I should make a shelf, put them up in the shelf. I says, well, I'll tell you what. After you go out there, rototill this all up, hill it, plant it, hill it again, weed it, pick potato bugs, come back, dig it up, put it in the cart, drive it back to the garage. You can dry it any way you want. So that was the end of that. And my son just kind of looked the other way. Because you don't want to be involved in this. So, I'll do this, get a couple of buckets, I hope. Knock off most of the dirt. And I'll just leave them in the buckets in the garage. I got 2 or 3 more buckets there. We'll see. I'd like to get it done, but you can only take the pain for so long. And I stumbled across a good video, a good YouTube channel called The Veggie Boys. It's pretty entertaining, actually. This young family somewhere in Pennsylvania, well, not a young family, just a family, have a vegetable garden all set up. And they grow pretty near everything on the 80 acres that they got. And he goes through and explains things quite well. Look at that. I've only gone a couple of feet. Oh, frick. We already got a bucket full. Now the other issue I've got is people are very thankful that they don't have to do all of this and they still get their free potatoes. I can hear my neighbor over there thrashing away. But, what the hell, eh? That's a big potato. Now that is a potato. There. Oh, my poor back. Alright. So next year, I'm going to try to get these in the ground a little earlier. And hopefully the frosts won't kill them. Because to put these in, and to get all that in, that's a freaking killer. And I want to keep telling my wife to simplify it, but she don't get it. She likes that hard work, that never-ending torture that we go through. We didn't have enough beans. We need a freezer is what we really need. Then we can harvest, you know, whatever. We can just start harvesting things. Start filling it up. You probably can't hear it, but the leaves falling through the trees as they head towards the ground. It's a pretty neat sound. There we are. There's one. And you know what would even be better? Those science guys make it so that we can grow potatoes, plant them in the fall after we harvest them, and then we don't have to worry about them in planting in the spring. We can dedicate our efforts to other things. Oops. That one got stabbed good. And where'd he go? Yeah, see, look at a hole in that. He's a goner. Okay, there's another bucket full. There. Oh. There we go. There. Wow. Okay, so there's about 8 feet-ish. And, wow. Moving. There we go. Oh. Okay. Phew. feed. Alright, let's see what this gets us. Whew. Now, a lot of you guys are my age. But guys, I don't even mean girls and boys here. Oh, some garbage. The hell did that get in here? And we all seem to suffer from various ailments. That's a piece of, I know where that's from. It's off of one of those feed bags. Kick the rocks back in the garden. Okay. It's all the physical, you know. The message is, of course, nobody listens when you're younger. And if any of you is smoking right now, holy frig, do whatever you can. Stop that. That's freaking crazy. I wished I never did. Whoops. The buck snorting there. It's all natural. Man, there's a lot of potatoes. What happened to this guy? Huh, there's a white one. Maybe not. Yeah, it is. Oh, here comes the little woman. There's the dogs. And she'll just be yipping and yapping here. Storm telling me all the news. So this could be the end of the video already. Alright. There's a potato rock. And that's Ice. Ice likes to hear himself bark. It's quite the fiasco last night getting him into the house so I could go to bed. I caught him on the outside of the step on the deck and had to get my wife come, and she brought some better treats. And we lugged him into the house. Man, I wasn't going to let him go because every time you go near him, he'd just take off after some of those treats. Man, we try luring them. Bear's pretty smart right now. Okay, what do we got here? There's another one. Oh, good. Wow, it's just like summer out here. Oh, there's a big old white one. Might be a few more of them in here. Jesus. That's it. Another half a bucket and I'm done for the day. On this part. I'd like to be able to go down there and get that memory card swapped out on the game camera. Because it won't take long to fill it up. And I just might have to reduce the length of time it takes a video. They're about a minute long. And when I do that, it fills up the memory card when there's lots of action like that. There we are. This won't take long to fill up now. I have to apologize for all the grunting and groaning here. Whew. Didn't get very far. 12 feet. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't know what color sky you can see, but she's as blue as she gets. I bet these potatoes are good right now. All right, last hill. Yeah, there's still a lot of moisture in the ground. Oh, mercy. Whew. I just keep looking at how far I gotta go. So if that's 1, 4 more days, 3-4 more days, unless I get help. Bear with me, folks. There we are. Another big one. It's a little cooler in the woods too. Okay, I'm not going to dig anymore. Just grab a couple of quick ones here. There we are. So I know where to go. Oh. And these worms, look at them. That's a freaking worm, man. There, last spud. 2 buckets. Then I'll let them dry in the garage. She's blistering hot out here. So, that's 1. And later, I just might try to empty the other 2 buckets. They had an extra day to dry. Okay. Okay, let's go. Alright. I hope that was exciting for you. It was a thrill a minute here for me. You're next. Shoot. Ooh, doggy. So, thanks very much for coming along. There we are. I'm over here. So I'll take a little bit of a break. Then I'll clean these 2 buckets up. And that'll give me 3 more buckets. Or 2 more buckets. That's 3. I got 5 buckets. Oh, there goes somebody hunting. No mail. But anyway, thanks for coming. Appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button. And hopefully we'll get these potato videos over and we'll go back in the woods soon. Alright, take care. Be
kind. That's all, folks.
I'll be back.